put it 4 notches down in darkness, but I got my wet and warm thick and shake. I don't know. You know, I need some fluid now, fellas. I've decided just to go in on this signage into the thing, because apparently that hilltop walk is 17 k's down the road. So we're just here again. We're just going to walk in here and see what we find. You never know. I'm just going to play it by ear, fellas, you know. Probably going to be a disappointing day, but at least you get to see the sceneries. And we've still got peaky soil on this side of the road. So hopefully we are heading towards some kind of cliff face, but it's a lot further than I thought it would be. Unless, of course, this afternoon when I go back across there, it's further up the road, and I'll show you those sundews up there. I think they pumped this up with there. Half of it's gone already. I think it's a con. Do you think it's a con there? You've got half there, and you shake it up, and it feels like it fills the thing up, and yeah, thick and shake. It's for people who are thick and can't realise that there's only half in the bloody to begin with. Oh well, it's only $1, but I'm really only getting 50% of the value. Well, it looks like we had a bushfire in the area in the last few years, so you never know. If any Cephalotus growing, it should stand out like dog's balls. Oh, no, there's that Modesta again, and we got some sort of goodenia type like pea flower plant. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think we should stick to the path, anyway. Could get lost. Okay. Whoa, they look very familiar. I thought they were supposed to be growing in the Stirling Ranges. They're so bright, were they? Oh, there's another bit of bullshit. It's not going to be endemic anymore. It's going to be localised to. Oh, the secret's out now. Someone planted one outside the park and it's just taken off like a bloody TRIFFID. Yeah. Try keeping that story up, fellas. Oh well, I don't think it's just wet enough here for them, do you reckon? Not from what we learnt yesterday. Not for this time of year anyway, you know. If this was like February and then you say, well, okay, it's wet enough, you know. Oh well, back to the track and see what we get on. I'm just enjoying the show at the moment. As I said, everything's grey, fellas. It's all grey soil. Lovely. Well, Australia does have the most blue flower plants in the world on the planet. They're going to start bending the definition of blue now, are they? Yeah. Well, don't tell me the track got burnt out, so we've lost the distinction of the track. It's not quite a snotty gobble, is it? Yeah, I think we'll go back to the track, fellas. Oh, look at these ones. There you go. That's up about, well, no, almost a metre. A couple in the background there. There we go. I think there's one over there. Yeah, back to the track and start again, I think. So I think that's going to be the general plan. We'll just explore here, and then I think it's back to the track and further up to actually get to the beaches further up on the other side, I reckon. Have they purposely misdrawn the map? I don't know.